The question is, what are lyophilic and lyophobic salts? Give an example of each type. Why are hydrophobic salts easily coagulated? And the second word for coagulated is precipitated, okay, which you might be familiar with. Moving on to the solution. Lyophilic salts are solvent loving. So basically, this lyophilic term is divided into two parts. For the philic term, it means loving. The meaning of the word philic is loving. Okay? And for the term solvent, for the term lyo, it means solvent. Okay? So in these types of salts, the dispersed phase has an affinity towards the dispersion medium. It means that they do not repel. The dispersed phase and the dispersion medium do not repel, they like each other. For example, starch, gum, and protein. The affinity is due to the ability to form a hydrogen bond with the dispersion medium. These salts are reversible in nature. So what are the important points for the lyophilic salts? These are solvent loving, okay? And they have affinity towards the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Examples are important. Why is there affinity? Because they have the ability to form hydrogen bond. Okay? And these salts are reversible in nature. So these are some of the important points I have highlighted. Moving on, for the lyophilic salts, these are water heating. Not water heating actually, these are solvent heating. Okay. For the term, if the solvent is water, then we would say hydrophobic. Okay. So again, lyo, as I have discussed, it means solvent, and for phobic I would write heating. Pardon my handwriting. In these type of salts, the dispersed phase has no affinity towards the dispersion medium or the solvent. Examples are metals, sulfides, etc. On simply mixing, they do not form colloidal solution because they do not want to. The dispersion medium and the dispersed phase do not get along. Okay, so they do not easily get form colloidal solution. Their colloidal salts can be prepared only by some special methods. Salt particles have some positive or negative charges, and these are irreversible in nature. What are the important points? These are water heating. I would write solvent heating. They have no affinity. Examples are important. Simply mixing, they do not form colloidal solution. They can only be prepared by some special methods, some chemical or physical methods. They have some charges, positive or negative, and they are irreversible in nature. These are some of the important points that I have highlighted.